Tanner Schultz. I work in plastics quality here at Viega, and I'm currently running our Explore Viega summer camp. Good benefit with the apprenticeship program is you don't have to stick in one department immediately. The way our apprenticeship program works is you do month-long rotations in each department, and then you kind of decide on where you want to go down the road, and that would be your department you stick into.
I'm Mackenzie Moores. I'm in representative, which is like the T area. Right now I'm sorting parts to make sure that they're not chipped, have chips, and so they can go through the rest of the process with that. I didn't think I was gonna ever like manufacturing, but definitely that summer camp opened my eyes. Now, you know, I'm here sorting parts. It's really fun.
I would think my favorite part about working at Viega is the community. Definitely the community. There's a lot of good people, a lot of people willing to teach you, and a lot of good supervisors willing to talk through whatever you need to talk through.
Personally enjoy how respectful the people are in my area. Like, they're very welcoming. They're super chill, willing to teach people.
It is a great program. It really gives everybody chances in each area to give you an idea of factory work. Before I came here, I thought it was just a bunch of dirty work for men. Women couldn't do it, so it's pretty cool being able to see that it's really not that. Women are capable of doing it.
Viega provides schooling for apprentices. You go through there, you can either get a certificate or a degree, an associate's degree. Majority of us go for programs that are a lot of maintenance related, but it can help with production when it comes to forming cells and stuff. You learn about hydraulics and pneumatics and things like that.
It's been the greatest experience of my life.